Introducing the impressive 2024 Ford Focus ST line, 5D 1.0T, 125M and Mhev in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with features for ultimate comfort and safety. With air conditioning, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning, this car has everything you need. The luxurious interior includes cup holders and a load cover parcel shelf for added convenience. Safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking ensure peace of mind on every journey. Stylish additions like Privacy Glass and Sideskirts make this car stand out on the road. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health check and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. With a comprehensive warranty included, you can drive away with confidence. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this fantastic Ford Focus ST line.